In front of me is OnePlus Ace 5 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard theme. Start by launching your keyboard. When you're ready, use this icon of a color palette at the top of it and select any theme by tapping on the best one for you. Then manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And when you finished, hit apply at the bottom right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. To customize it though, tap on the same icon and this time use +1 under my themes. Now tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Let's go with this one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!